So we are still continuing with our unit of competence, that is microbiology unit. So under microbiology, we look at our topic, today's topic. This topic is bacteriology. So under bacteriology, we have the principles, the fundamental principles. Fundamental principles of bacteriology. So our objectives, our outcomes, today's outcomes, learning outcomes. Let's look at learning outcomes. Learning outcome number one, look at the structure. Look at the basic structure. The basic structure and function of bacterial cells. Bacterial cells. So this is our outcome number one. Number two, we look at difference between distinguish between different types of bacteria. Different types of bacteria. Based on their morphology. Then our last outcome, we look at crumb staining procedures. Crumb staining procedures. Crumb staining procedures. So in our last unit, in our last session, we looked at the terms used in bacteriology. The terms. So maybe we can remind ourselves the terms used in microbiology. Sorry, in bacteriology. The terms used in bacteriology. Yes.
We looked at the term bacteriology, which is the scientific study of bacteria.
Yeah, very good. The term bacteriology, which is the scientific study of bacteria. Another term? Another term? Anybody? Morphology, you remember what is morphology? What is morphology? Morphology. Yes?
Bacteria.
Bacteria, what is bacteria?
Is a single cell prokaryotic microorganism.
Yeah, a single cell prokaryotic microorganism. Another one? Any other person? Yes?
Morphology, which is now the study of form and the structure encompassing the shape and arrangement of body parts.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Today I want us to look at the cellular structure. The cellular structure of bacteria. So maybe in groups of three, look at the cellular structure. The cellular structure. In groups of three, look at the cellular structure. Look at the cellular structure of bacteria. Cellular structure of bacteria. Another group to look at the key functions. Key functions of bacteria. Key functions of bacteria. Then the last group to look at the bacterial shapes. Bacterial shapes, sizes, shapes and arrangement. Material, shapes, and arrangement. So in groups of three from my friend Mary, your friend, groups of three. We look at groups of four, groups of three. The first group, look at the cellular structure. Then the second group look at the key functions of bacteria. Bacterial cell. Key functions of bacterial cell. And then the last group, you look at bacterial sizes, shapes, and arrangement. We focus on the size, shape, and arrangement. I'm giving you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That is structure. So the first group, can you share your findings? The first group. The cellular structure, the components. Yes. Yeah, we have a cell wall. The other one. Capsule. The capsule. Plasma membrane. Yes. Cytoplasm. Nucleus. Yes. Then we have a very important one. Yes, flagella. So that is for group 1. Then group 2, can you share for us very quickly the functions? The functions, key functions of bacterial cells. Key functions, yes. Transport functions. Biosynthesis. Energy transduction. Energy. Any other? Okay, that is all for group 2. Then group 3.
Now, when you're talking about the bacterial sizes, shapes, and arrangements, we found that in shape we have the average size. That range from 0.5 to 5.0 micrometers. Then you have the smallest bacteria, ranging from 0.1 to 0.25 micrometers. The largest bacteria, which is about 750 micrometers. Then you have the shapes of the bacteria.
So from the shape, sorry for interruption, from the shape we realize that bacteria are micro, they're very small in size. Then for the shapes,
We have the coccus,
yes, we have the coccus,
which are normally spherical in shape.
coccus,
We have the spiridium,
stereo,
and we have also filamentous. Then we have the coccobacillus.
coccus,
Yes, coccobacillus. Bacillus. We have the coccus and coccobacillus. Yes, bacilli. Yeah.
yes. So this is coccobacilli.
That is in terms of
It's a combination of coccus and
shape.
Bacillus.
And then we talk about the arrangement. We have Diplococci, Streptococci, and
So under the arrangement, we have Streptococci.
Diplococci
Diplococci.
and tetrads. Diplococci, tetrads. Yes.
Arrangement before. So these are several coccus joined together. Diplo means 2. Then we have tetra means 4. So that is all about this. So very quickly, we have the staining. We have the staining procedures for these microorganisms, for identification of microorganisms. We have gram positive and we have gram negative. So I've shared this one on your wall. You will visit them next time we meet. We look at the practical part of this gram staining procedure. So we look at the theory. Then when we meet, we perform the practical. Right? Yes. So that is for today. Before I leave, I want you to do this assignment in your groups. So you can write this assignment. Describe the key morphological differences. Describe the key morphological differences between coccus, bacillus, and spirillum. That is the question. Make sure you do it and submit in your groups. Then allow me to call the register. Confirm the presence. So we have Noah.
Yes, present.
Dennis.
Present.
Nicholas Oje.
Present.
We have Mary.
Present.
Sarah.
Pleasant.
Dan.
Present.
John.
Present.
Thank you. So that is the end of our lesson today, of our session. Have a nice day.